Hello, I'm Dr. Matthews. I'm here to talk about the CAOS, the Corporate America Office Syndrome. That's a syndrome specifically for people who work on computers for prolonged periods of time, from 5 to 7 hours on average. And there's just classical signs and symptoms that we see all the time that relate to the CAOS. So at RC Chiropractic, what we have done, and we're the first to do this, we have a tried and true tested protocol, and we get a lot of good results out of that. We use chiropractic, and we use a very innovative technique, soft tissue technique called the Miracle Shockwave. And basically it's a acoustic shockwave therapy. There's a Teflon bead inside of a gun here that produces sound waves. And when they produce sound waves, those sound waves come through that apparatus into the injured muscle tissue, and for lack of a better term, power washes the cobwebs or the adhesions between the muscle fibers and allows those now new cleaned out muscle fibers to lay down correctly, not competing for space with the adhesions, and allowing those muscles to reinforce the joints and the ligaments and the tendons also. This therapy, the Miracle Wave Shockwave therapy, is strictly a musculoskeletal therapy. So with chiropractic, we treat you structurally, and then soft tissue-wise, we treat you with the Miracle Shockwave.
One word I would use to describe my experience with Dr. Matthews is optimism. When I first started meeting with him, I was in a lot of pain and started to feel like I was going to have to live a life with that pain. And I feel like things have gotten to be night and day, and I've had a lot of alleviation of the pain that I was having. I've been using the Miracle Wave for only one session so far. I discovered it through Dr. Matthews. With just one session, I started to have a lot more optimism. I felt like my back had improved beyond what we were able to do with our routine care. So it certainly elevated the extent to which we were seeing improvements.
I've been coming to Dr. Matthews to help me recover from being rear-ended in a car accident. I had a lot of lower back pain, hip and left leg pain. The Miracle Wave has been a wonderful part. It penetrates pretty deep and it's able to help me recover. Being here has been a wonderful process in helping me to recover from my car accident.
And that is how we're getting tremendous results. And we are the only ones in your area with this protocol. We are the only ones in this area that are treating specifically the Corporate America Office Syndrome in this manner, and it behooves you to become a part of this program so that you can feel better and work more efficiently, especially now since everyone is working at home.